Ever wonder what sets Crorepatis apart from the rest of us? It's not just luck. It's not always inheritance either. The truth is, wealth follows a pattern. Crorepatis follow proven financial strategies that anyone can adopt. Today, we are breaking down 7 money secrets that can help you build lasting wealth. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's dive into this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So, does earning more money automatically make you rich? Not necessarily. What truly matters is how much you save and invest, not just how much you earn. For example, meet Kumar and Muthu. Kumar earns 1 lakh per month but saves only 10,000. Muthu earns 60,000 per month but saves 20,000. Both invest in mutual funds with an average return of 13% per year. After 15 years, Muthu has 1 crore while Kumar only has 55 lakhs. A lesson: a high salary doesn't guarantee wealth. Consistent saving and smart investing do. So number 2, are you avoiding investments because they seem risky? Crorepatis know that avoiding risk completely is itself a risk. Example: low risk investment like 8% return per month investing 20,000 rupees can grow to 1.2 crore in 20 years. While if you invest in equity mutual funds which gives you around 13% return, the same 20,000 rupees per month, it can grow to 2.3 crore in 20 years. That's almost double the wealth just by taking a calculated risk. The secret: they don't fear market fluctuations. Instead, they diversify and stay invested for the long term. Number 3, many people chase quick money. Crorepatis don't. They don't panic when markets dip. They see it as an opportunity. Real estate investors buy low and hold. Stock investors ride out market ups and downs. Example: Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors, started investing at age 11. His fortune grew thanks to time and compounding. So instead of waiting for the perfect time, start investing now and stay invested. Number 4, do you have financial goals or just vague ideas? Crorepatis write down their goals. A study by Thomas Corley found that 60% of Crorepatis write down their goals and 81% maintain a daily to-do list. Why does this work? Writing down goals keeps you accountable, gives a clear roadmap, and helps you track progress. Instead of saving, I need to save more money, right? I will save 50 lakh for retirement by age 50. Have you put your financial goals on paper yet? Number 5, would you go on a road trip without a map? Then why navigate your finances without expert guidance? Wealthy individuals never make financial decisions blindly. They surround themselves with 3 key advices: a lawyer to handle legal matters and protect their assets, an auditor to ensure tax efficiency and compliance, a financial advisor craft investment strategies and optimize wealth growth. Many people avoid professional advice because of the cost, but Crorepatis know that expert guidance prevents costly mistakes, which often cost way more in the long run. So why take chances with your hard-earned money? Number 6, do you track your daily expenses? Crorepatis do. One common habit among the wealthy is avoiding unnecessary spending like frequent dining out, impulsive shopping, and luxury purchases they don't need. How does this help? By cutting small unnecessary expenses, they free up more money for investment. Try this simple trick: the 24-hour rule. Before making an impulse purchase, wait a day to see if you still want it. More often than not, you will realize you don't actually need it. Imagine how much more you could save and invest by applying this one habit. Number 7, have you thought about your retirement? Most people delay retirement planning only to realize too late that they haven't saved enough. But Crorepatis, they prioritize retirement planning early to secure financial independence. A study by psychologists Paul Sullivan and Brad Klontz found wealthy individuals actively save and invest for retirement. Those who neglect it often struggle financially later in life. Even saving 10% of your income consistently can help build a secure retirement fund. With increasing life expectancy and rising inflation, have you started planning for your future? Number 8. Even with the right habits, managing money can be complex. This is why Crorepatis consult professionals like certified financial planners to optimize their investments for maximum returns, avoid costly financial mistakes, create tax efficient wealth strategies, and ensure they stay on track with their financial goals. A CFP provides a personalized roadmap tailored to your financial situation, helping you build and sustain wealth efficiently. With so many financial products and investment options available, wouldn't it be wise to have a professional guiding you? So, what is the final takeaway from this video? Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy. By following these 7 money secrets, you can take control of your financial future and work towards millionaire status. So start today, write down your financial goals, save and invest consistently, cut unnecessary expenses, and seek expert guidance. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It requires planning, discipline, and the right guidance. And if you're serious about wealth building, consulting a certified financial planner can help you make informed decisions and maximize your wealth building potential. So, are you ready to take the next step? Click the link in our description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners today. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert financial tips like this. We'll see you in the next video. So, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.